Look at that, guys, on the mouse.
Artlist.io.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Gone Fishing. Before I get this video started, guys, I want to be serious here. Yesterday I had to help the police. There was two guys in their early 20s. They went to a beach and they didn't come back out of the water, so I had to help the cops yesterday for like 2 hours, nothing. So guys, if you're from Windsor and you kayak around the Pesh Island area, guys, keep a lookout. The family wants their kids back, so I know it'll be tough to see something like that, but you got to think of the family. And guys, always remember, when you're on a kayak boat, wear your life jacket, guys. Life jacket will save you. I always wear my life jacket. Guys, please keep your life jackets on when you're on a kayak. Okay, so today's video, guys, we'll be going to LaSalle and we'll be going for pike and bowfin. Lots of bowfin being caught right now. My buddy caught a couple, so we'll be leaving out of LaSalle Marina and be working our way towards the salt mine, and we'll be working little canals all the way to the salt mine and then back. So guys, stay tuned and we'll get back to you once we hit the marina. All right, guys, so we made it out. We're at LaSalle Marina, free of charge for kayakers, guys. If you guys want to go to Fighting Island, anywhere in LaSalle, the marina is free. Just no trailer in the water. You got to take your kayak off the trailer and bring it to the dock, and it's free. So now we're gonna get everything ready, guys, and start fishing. So stay tuned. There we go, guys. There we go. Not sure what it is. So we got big bass, boys. That is a big bass. Wow. Oh yeah. There we go. It's a nice bass, guys. That is a nice bass. Oh yeah, there we go. Beautiful fish. Nice bass. Beautiful. There we go. Throw him back. See ya, buddy. Go get your pikeage friends. Go get your pikey friends. Go get your toothy critter friends. There it is. There it is, guys. He took that frog. Oh, wow. He took that frog, buddy. I was having a feeling they were in the weeds like that. Come here. What a hook set. I missed that. Do I ever miss the frog fishing? Wow. Did you see that hook set, boys? Look at that. He destroyed the frog. Wow. Let's get him back. We're breaking our rods. See ya, buddy. Oh. There we go. Those are what we call hook sets, baby. Oh my God. Frog fishing. Frog fishing 101. It's a nice one. Oh, he swallowed it. Oh, he swallowed it. Oh, he swallowed it. He absolutely swallowed it. Oh, it's a big bass. He swallowed that one. Look at that, guys. He devoured it. Look at that. Wow. It's in there. Look at that. Yummy, yummy. In his tummy. Alright, let's throw him back, guys. He smashed it. See ya, buddy. I don't know if that's gonna work anymore now. Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my goodness! I didn't think it was gonna work anymore. Oh wow! That guy came out of nowhere. Oh my goodness! Look at that! Oh, he devoured it. He freaking devoured. Look at that! Oh my god! Look at that, guys! Oh man! Come on. Where's the hook? Oh, it's on top. Okay. Wow. Double hook. That's a double hook, guys. Holy shit. That's a double hook job. That one's gone. There we go. There we go, boys. Look at that. Wow, he came out of nowhere. Throw him back real fast. See ya, buddy.
What'd you catch?
Big bass. Another big one, guys, with no legs on the frog. With no legs. Oh, they're swallowing it. Wow, they really want it. Look at that. He freaking swallowed it again. What a beautiful fish. Look at that. Swallowed again, guys. It's all about the hook sets, though. Oh, oh. Stupid. It's all about the hook sets. There we go. Beautiful fish. Nice and healthy. Come back. See ya, buddy. Oh, wow. All about the hook sets. Guys, let's try the mouse. There we go, guys. We got a bass on the mouse. Look at that. That is awesome. We got a bass on the mouse, boys. There we go. How cool is that? How cool is that? Look at that. How freaking sweet is that? Look at that on the mouse. That is freaking wild, man. That is freaking sweet. Thing is, I don't like treble. Ow, I don't like treble hooks too much. Look at that, guys, on the mouse. Sweet. Come back. That is freaking cool, man. So they don't want spinner. They want top water today. Today's all top water. There we go, guys. On the mouse. Oh yeah. On the mouse. Oh, it's a nice bass. Oh yeah, on the mouse. Holy shit, that's a beautiful fish. That's a nice fish, guys. Oh, look at the size of that bass. Wow. Look at that, guys. On the freaking rat mouse, whatever you want to call it. That is freaking sweet. Watch out for the trebles. Watch out for the trebles. On the rat, guys. Look at that. Beautiful fish. This size of that. Oh, wow. This mouse lure is coming in handy, baby. Back. See ya, buddy. Right beside the rat. See ya. Look at the rat. Freaking garpike wanted it. Oh, we got a small little fish. What the hell? What hit it, guys? What hit the rat? Oh my god, look at the bass. Guys, look at that. That is insane. The bass is smaller than the freaking rat. Look at that. The hell? That's freaking crazy. Ow. That is insane. Look at the difference. What the hell? See ya, buddy. Go get bigger. There we go, guys. On the mouse. There we go. You gotta love this lure. You gotta love this lure. There we go, boys. Up on the mouse. Careful. Easy on the mouse. That is freaking awesome. How awesome is that, eh? Come on, buddy. Open up. Open up. Oh, oh. See ya, buddy. All right, guys, that's going to end another episode of Gone Fishing. I can't believe the topwater mouse worked. I never thought that lure would work. I bought a couple. I want to see if pike would attack it, but pike are not hitting right now at all. Nothing. Gar pike, yes, they smashed the mouse a couple times, but they wouldn't grab the hook, but they were hitting it like crazy. But northerns, I haven't seen one. I haven't caught one in a while. But guys, you gotta love topwater frog. Man, the way you set that hook, amazing. But again, pike. Pike is the target, and we're not getting them, and it's driving me nuts. But whatever, man. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe, like, and share, and stay tuned for the next one. Ciao.